Hi, this is Luke, Full Production Expert, and this is PSP Saturator. So here's my track, and it could definitely do with some warming up. Let's have a listen.
Chasing your tail or running away. Chasing your tail or running away.
So let's start off with my drums.
Chasing your tail.
Solo those up. Okay, so this is without saturator, and you can hear those transients there. As soon as I bring it in, they're just that little bit rounder, and I can obviously increase that by giving myself more saturation. I'm using the tape shape. There are others here as well. This one works well. I'm crossing over around about 10k. But PSP Saturator has this band split setup so that I can just apply saturation to the high end, which simulates how tape can affect your signal. But I'm happy with that. So what PSP Saturator is also really good at is adding extra harmonics to low frequency content that may otherwise get lost on small playback systems. So laptops, phone speakers or smart speakers, the kind of thing that you get around the home. Let's have a listen. Now I've got this high pass filter across my mix just to simulate that. So let's have a listen to the bass on its own. So you can hear Saturator is really allowing us to hear the bass, but without it, we just have the click and the pick sound off the bass without much of the body of the notes there at all. I'll knock that back in. So we can hear what the notes are because we're saturating the signal. I'll just bring that up a bit so you can hear. And without, so those notes are getting lost, but Saturator helps me hear those. PSP Saturator can work really well on vocals to give that kind of mangled, broken effect that can work really well, as long as you don't use it on everything. Let's have a listen.
Chasing your tail or running away. You're chasing your tail or running away.
Okay, so let's knock that in.
You're chasing your tail or
now we've got a choice here. We can either saturate more or less.
Chasing your tail or running away. You're chasing your tail or running away.
Or we can saturate more than we would and then dial some dry back in. That often works well on vocals.
Chasing your tail or running away.
Let's hear that in context. Maybe bring the level up a bit. As soon as you saturate, it can drop the level a bit.
But I know now in the end.
Okay, sounding suitably cooked there. So that is using PSP Saturator, an authentic Mojo toolkit for your mix. Read our full article over at Production Expert where you can find out more.